Hi, Ritika.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Ritika. So, this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, can you introduce about yourself?
Yes, my name is Ritika. I'm from PDIT College, that is Pradedevra Institute of Technology, Hospital. So I got to know about CMTI through one of my friend who has joined here earlier. So after later on, I decided to join here. After joining, I got to know about the construction. QS procurement and construction process, even the interior, cut list, etc. So first of all, thank you Natarajan sir and Ashok sir for giving the everyone this opportunity and letting us know all the things.
Fine. So, what and all you learned in the training, like CACM, apart from the construction as well as interiors. So, how was your site visit, software training, and all?
By seeing all those infrastructures for going to green building, like a BJIT, it was a first. It was a nice experience for us for visiting an IT company. And even in the site visits, the professor helped us to gain more knowledge. And he explained a lot. He explained a lot about the construction and everything. Yeah, about the software, Venkat sir did a great job in the software for letting us learn about AutoCAD and SketchUp. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
So, hope you had a exposure in construction as interiors.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what about CMTI app, Ritika? How was that?
So it is a great app, ma'am. It will be really helpful if we sit and learn here and learn properly. It is really a nice app, ma'am, to get to know about to gain knowledge about the
Okay.
construction and interior.
So, what about trainers of CMTI? How was they?
Trainers are very cool, ma'am. They are very friendly. So I really suggest to join here. Whoever asks me how is CMTI, I'll tell them to go and join.
Okay. So, what about your interview process, Ritika? How was that?
So it was the first time it was first interview in my life. So it was nice actually. Even the HR was very cool. She didn't treat. It was like more like a conversation rather than an interview, ma'am. So getting placed in an MNC company, it is a huge thing, ma'am, for me.
Okay. So, what about staffs of
Yeah,
CM?
ma'am.
How was their approach to you?
Ma'am, they really helped us a lot when we needed them. They are very friendly to ma'am. It was nice.
So, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
So, ma'am, I would suggest you to come here to learn everything to know about construction and IDM. And after getting knowledge, they'll get, whatever we get here, if we implement in the interview, we sure will get a nice job, ma'am.
Thank you so much for your feedback. So, all the best for your upcoming days and congratulations for your placements. Thank you, Ritika.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.